Hi, and welcome to this next session of Microsoft Word. In this session, I'm going to be talking about controlling your page layout. Now, when we speak about the page layout, we're speaking about how the general feel and look of the page. You can control this page layout by either adding page numbers onto your different pages. Maybe now you've typed your motivational letter and it's become long and you just want to add different page numbers. You can also add a header and footer to your page to improve your page layout. The headers and the footer are things that will appear on every page. The header appears at the very top of your page while the footer appears at the bottom of your page. You can also set your page orientation. Your page lands can either be landscape or portrait. Okay, the normal view is portrait, and when it's upside down, or rather the other view is as landscape. You will see it more as we do it in the practical. And also you can add page breaks. Page breaks are literally just breaking the page and moving on to the next page. This is particularly helpful when you just want to continue onto a next page immediately. Now let's do a bit of a practical to make these things make more sense. And now for the practical session. As you know, before every practical you go to Start, All Programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word, and Word should open in this kind of view. We said we're talking about just our general page layout. Let's just start again by just adding that motivational letter. Okay, so the different go under your page layout section, and these are the different things that you can do to your page. You have a themes section, you have a page setup section, you have a page background, a paragraph, and an arrange section. We already spoke about the paragraph, but for now we're just going to be looking at a few of the things that you can do to improve your page layout. The first thing is that you could insert page numbers. Okay, to do that you go under insert, and then you find a section under header and footer, and you find page numbers. Now you can select where you want your different page numbers to be. You can say I want them to be at the top of the page, and you can see how that would look practically, or at the bottom of the page, and you can see how that's going to look. And then you can just select one, and if you go to the bottom of your page, you will see then your footer section there's now one page. That's page one that's just being inserted for you. So if you scroll down, page one is inserted for you. Okay, so that's easy enough to do, and I hope you understand it. The next thing that you can do to your page layout is inserting a header and a footer. So you go to your insert section, and then you say insert header. Okay, so you can also select the different kinds of headers that you want to insert as well. So you can say insert a blank header, and you can say type text here. This is my header, or this is my, or you can at the top of every page you want it motivational letter for sports science UCT. Okay, and as you can what's gonna happen is that in every page at the top of it, motivational letter for sports science will be written. So if you just go here, will be written, and you can go once again and say insert, and say insert footer. Okay, and type blank. Remember, you've already inserted a page number, so you don't really need to insert something else since that's all already there. And this is where my page numbers are. So you can just close that, scroll to the bottom, and you see this is where your page numbers were. So you can go to insert page numbers again, and let's just insert one page again, and we see that our footer is now inserted again. Okay, now imagine you wanted to insert something onto your page, but it didn't, maybe a diagram or something that didn't fit when you inserted it into this normal orientation. What you could do to your page is that you would go to page layout and change its orientation and make it landscape. Okay, so landscape is literally like you just tend you're booked sideways. Your book is now sideways, so you have more length to work with. Okay, and the last thing that we're just going to speak about is page breaks. So you can, under the page layout section, there's a section called breaks. Okay, so you can click on that breaks and you'll find a section called page breaks. So you click page breaks and you see it goes to the next letter. And as you can see, the header motivational letter for sports science UCT is there, and the footer page 2 is there as well. And you can see that these are two different pages. And if you continue doing the same thing, you'll see that it just keeps on happening, keeps on happening. Now when you want to, now that you've inserted a page break, it means that you've literally inserted another page. So to delete one of them, you can just click delete and click on the page um, that you don't want deleted, and then click delete for the next page, and you see that the page goes away and you now only have one page. Okay, so it means I deleted both of them, but you just click delete. And then that's basically how you can do basic manipulation of your page layouts. I hope that makes sense, and yeah, enjoy it.